Hello lovely people and welcome back to Marius Makes. Let's make my mom's mushroom and sour cream soup. Clean 500 grams of oyster mushrooms. In a large bowl, shred the mushrooms as you see in the video. You should get long strips. When all the mushrooms are shredded, cover them with hot boiling water. Set aside for 10 minutes while you prepare the carrots. On the small side of a box grater, grate one large carrot or two skinny ones like I have. In a big enough pot, add 5 to 7 tablespoons of neutral oil. You can use sunflower oil or avocado oil, whatever you prefer. Add the grated carrot and a small pinch of salt. Cook on a medium heat for 5 minutes. When the carrot is soft and the oil turns that gorgeous orange color, take it off the heat. Strain the mushrooms and add them to the pot. Add 3 liters of water, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to a medium-low and simmer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, into a large bowl, add 750 grams of full-fat sour cream, 6 egg yolks, about a tablespoon and a half of grated horseradish. I like it fresh, but you can also use preserved horseradish. And also finely grate 5 large garlic cloves. Add a large pinch of salt and stir everything until well combined. Set aside. Take 100 grams of sweet pickled red peppers. You can also use preserved roasted peppers. Cut them into strips. When the soup has boiled, take it off the heat. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of the pepper pickling juice, followed by the sliced pepper, and 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, and stir. Now, with a ladle, take some of the hot soup and add it over the sour cream mixture. Ladle about half of the soup, 1 scoop at a time, while stirring continuously into the sour cream. Look at that gorgeous color. You can smell the garlic already. When most of the liquid is mixed into the sour cream, pour the content of the bowl back into the pot. Stir the soup, adjust for salt, and there you have it. My mom's mushroom and sour cream soup. Simple, rich, delicious. Thanks for watching. Don't forget you can find more recipes on my channel. Hope to see you around next time for another home-cooked meal. Goodbye!